Hello, good morning to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, we'll see the detailed review and the real user impressions on this Bajaj Majesty DHX iron. So we'll see the iron box working, and the user has been using this iron box for the past 8 months, you can say. 8 months before, I did the unboxing of this, and I showed you the unboxing details and the price details and everything. The user purchased this for nearly like 1200 to 1300 rupees, and this got five heating options minimum, which is 0, 1 2 3 4 5, and 1 2 3 4 5 also. 1 is for nylon, 2 is for silk, 3 is for wool, and 4 is for cotton, and 5 is for linen. And the current fabric is somewhat like, I'm not very sure about this cloth, but I'll keep somewhere around 3, means medium, you can say. 1 2 3 4 5, 3 is the middle one. And one thing, I'll just switch on the power, and this is the cable length. See here, one biggest dissatisfaction about this iron box is the length of this wire or the cable. So, and one more thing, does this burning the cloths? Yes, if you continuously keep it in high number, means high heat, then definitely there are chances. And one occurrence for the real user, there is a small burnt on one of the shirt, so you should be careful. Means even though there is a auto cutoff, see here, now the light is blinking, right? Not blinking. Now the light is there, so that it is getting heated up, but for few seconds it will be automatically cut off. Even if it is automatically cut off also, still the fabric got burnt once, so you need to be very careful. And coming to the what is this is a heavyweight iron. Okay, this is a heavyweight iron, and the weight of this iron box I'll be mentioning in the comments. Please do check. And you can observe here, see, the light got turned off, so there is auto cut off, but you need to be very careful and check the ironing. It is very heated up. Okay, maybe I can decrease it to somewhat 2 here. I can decrease it to somewhat 2 here, and after some time this light automatically blinks up. And I'll be doing this jean pant also, so I want to just uh, show you the review video on trying on two different fabric materials. Yeah, the ironing is awesome. I have to say this, the ironing is very awesome, and with very less strain, the ironing is too good. In the ironing purpose, it is, there is no issues with the iron box. One thing is, you need to be very careful, and you need to adjust according to the fabrics. And one dissatisfaction is the length of the wire. Okay, it would be better if it were some more. Okay, that is the personal experience of this user. Okay, it may differ from user to user. Yeah, I'll be continuing with this one also, and later at the end of the video I'll share you my overall experience. See here, again the light is turned up. Okay, the light is turned up after a few seconds, and this is 1000 watt iron box, and the wire is of good quality, very good quality. I'm not telling about the quality, but just of the length, and the ironing results are pretty good. Okay, yeah, if you do have any other questions, you can ask in the comments. Yeah, coming to the shirt, this is a very good shirt. I don't know this is a brand or not, but yeah. And this style over on the hands or the sleeves, and this sort of mesh, which is a style statement. And do anyone are using this sort of shirt or having this sort of shirt? Please do comment in the section. If possible, I'll be trying to attach these products in the view products, you can check. And I'll go to the jeans pant. Okay, even at the pocket area this black badge is good. And see here, if there is something like this, these get burnt. Okay, you should be careful. Yeah. Yeah, actually this gene pen doesn't need that much iron actually, but I can just increase the heat a bit up and I can do the iron, and the overall experience is it is really good, provided you need to be carefully monitor the heats and just remove of the fabric and keep it like that. The positioning is also very good because it is stable. The resting position here, is pretty much stable. You can just keep it like that, and due to this heavy weight there will be less strain while you doing the iron. Okay. Yeah, if you do have any other questions you can just ask in the comments. Yeah, this is of good stainless steel. Okay. Yeah, thanks for watching, have a nice day. So this is just I of the ironing here right from this switch here instead of going there. Okay.